hello guys, today I'm gonna tell you like how you can use WebGazer.js library in React.js. So basically for tracking your eye movements and getting the coordinates, like where are you, like looking like this, like this, so it will just show you where are you looking. So this is like they don't have a like good documentation, so you can just go here on like where I will say you can just go on to download WebGazer.js and copy this URL. So we'll just need this URL. So let's just go back to the React.js part. So like I've already done create React app, so it's just going to take a 2-3 second. So let's just wait for the time, or we can just start it if we got some files if we have already got. So let me check it. So we are still missing that main file, and it will take a minute or second. Okay, it's done. So let me just go into public index.html and add that as a script tag here, and we'll say script, and here we'll say src like source equals to, and we'll paste it here, and now we'll just save it. That's all we need to do. Now we'll go to app.js and delete this, and we have to like sorry, close, not delete. We just close it, and we'll import use effect from React. Okay, so we'll import use effect. So now what we'll do, we'll say use effect like this. Okay, yeah. So now we'll say constant WebGazer equal to window dot WebGazer. So like we are taking it from window because in this HTML we have already posted this script tag URL, so it will automatically get in the window, so you can just get it from window.webgazer. Now we'll say webgazer dot listen, no sorry, webgazer dot set gaze listener will data and clock. So data is make like whatever where we are looking, and clock is like timestamp. So after that we'll say we'll just make it like this, yeah. After that we'll say make a function, no, yeah. So now here we'll like print the whatever we are getting. So what we'll do, we'll just uh we'll say console dot log data comma clock, and here we'll say dot begin. Okay, we'll just save it like this, and we'll go to WebGazer React.js, and we'll do cmd npm start. Okay, and let's just see what's happening. Okay, it's opening. Okay, be fast boy. Okay, some error, export default app. Okay, I messed up something. I think I have to write something here, or what? Hello world import. Okay, like there is like some bracket issue. Hmm. I think now it's look fine. Okay, there is some bracket issue. Let me just quickly match it. Dot set data clock, and we'll do this. So if Okay, this is like, I think this is an extra one. Okay, yeah. Oh, sorry, I haven't closed that. What do you say? Use effect. Yeah, and we'll make array dependency like empty. So now just see, reload it. See, it's completely running fine, and you can see it's how it's showing my face. And if I click it here, it takes some times to run. And then here, see, now I'm getting the coordinates. You can check on the timestamp and coordinates like this. You have to train it. See, now it's what, so basically you have to train it, like you can watch the demo and all that stuff on YouTube. So thank you guys.